So we're out here picking beans in our garden, and I want to take a minute to talk about our strategy when it comes to growing beans and peas and other things that are like this. So we pretty much always have at least one of either peas, beans, or southern peas going in the garden. And our strategy is basically this. In the spring and in the fall, leading into the winter, we grow peas. Those are over there, I'll show them in a second. In the summer, or in the early summer, we grow traditional pole beans. And we grow them up trellises like this. This is an arch trellis that we have in our backyard that we build out of a simple cattle panel and some T-posts. And then when it gets really hot in the summer, we switch to southern peas because they can tolerate the heat really well. So we always have one of those things going for a number of reasons. First of all, it's awesome to get this anytime you want out of your garden. And we eat these in stir fries and things like that all the time. But also these plants help the other plants around them because they add nitrogen into the soil. So it's good to have these around in your garden as well. And then thirdly, they produce a lot of food, and you can grow them vertically on structures like this. So in an urban area like we have, we're able to grow a lot of beans, a lot of food for our family, and we can afford for him to dump half of them on the ground every time we harvest them. You want to show them the beans, Bubba? Show them our beans. Go show them. Show them Mama.
What?
Wow.
Beans.
Beans?